What if I told you there's a micro-cap stock trading under $5, and it just landed a deal worth 50 times more than the company itself? That's not hype, it's happening. We're talking about 3 explosive penny stocks, each priced below $5 as of June 2025. They're small. They're quiet. And they're totally off Wall Street's radar. But that's exactly why the upside could be massive. One just got FDA clearance. One has BlackRock quietly loading up shares. And the third? It might be in the sights of a major EV player. These are the kind of stocks where early investors can turn small positions into something huge, if you catch them before the crowd. Let's hit some quick teasers before we break them down. First, clean energy recycling. This company works in the clean tech space, focused on recycling lithium-ion battery materials. Not only is their process zero emissions, it's cheaper than traditional mining. Market cap, under $150 million, price in June 2025, $2.83, just 68 employees. Facility in Texas ramping up faster than expected. They recently locked in a multi-million-dollar pilot deal with a Fortune 500 company. On the last earnings call, they hinted at ongoing talks with larger players, which usually means bigger partnerships may be coming. The stock? American battery technology company, ticker ABAT. They just finished the first phase of a commercial-scale lithium refinery, and insiders aren't selling, they're holding tight. Why it matters? The US is pushing to bring lithium production back home, and demand is projected to rise more than 400% over the next decade. ABAT is one of the few American players in this space. If their Texas site goes fully operational, this could be a whole lot more than a simple 2x stock. Second, biotech with a twist. Next up is a tiny biotech company with a single platform drug and a new way to deliver it. Early trial results? Showing up to 10 times the effectiveness of existing treatments. Market cap, just above $80 million. Price, $1.16. Already granted orphan drug designation, which means 7 years of market exclusivity if approved. But the real kicker, their delivery method isn't limited to just one disease. It has the potential to expand into cancer, autoimmune diseases, and neurodegenerative conditions by next year. And here's the part that turns heads. They just raised $12 million in a private offering, at a price higher than what it was trading at. That's rare in the world of penny stocks. Big players have started noticing. BlackRock owns a position. Vanguard has taken a small stake. But regular investors? Still mostly asleep on it. The stock? LIPO Pharmaceuticals. Ticker, LIPO. Their lead drug is called LP10. It targets hemorrhagic cystitis, a painful condition with limited treatment options. The drug is delivered directly to the bladder lining using liposomes, helping avoid the usual side effects that come with systemic meds. If the FDA gives them fast-track status this summer, this stock could explode before most investors even know what it is. Third, defense tech with AI. This last one is something special. Picture a defense tech company trading for just $3.47 that recently demoed autonomous surveillance drones with built-in artificial intelligence, in front of top military officials. CEO previously led R&D at Lockheed. Tech won a US government innovation award. No mainstream news coverage yet. Signed a letter of intent with a NATO ally to deploy the system in 2026. They're sitting on over $22 million in cash, with less than $5 million in debt. Insiders have been buying shares since April, and trading volume is starting to climb. But here's the real story, their AI isn't just for offense. It's designed to save lives, detecting threats in real time and reducing battlefield casualties. The stock? EPIER Incorporated. Ticker, EPIER. Their main product is a directed energy drone defense system. We're talking actual laser-based defense. Not a concept, real, working hardware. There's also a pending US defense bill that includes funding for space-based prototypes. If that bill passes and this company's system gets greenlit, the upside could be serious. So, to recap, ABAT, scaling lithium recycling with a zero-emissions process. LIPO, biotech innovator with a potential breakthrough delivery platform. EPIER, defense company with laser tech and military backing. All three are under $5. All three are still mostly ignored by mainstream investors, and any one of them could end up being the breakout of the year. Penny stocks are risky, no question. But this is where some of the biggest moves begin, before the headlines, before the hype. Which one do you think has the most potential?